Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Cloud and Data with Kaushik. So in this demo, in this session we are going to discuss how we can configure IIS web server on Windows by using Bootstrap script. Okay. So in the previous session, I already discussed and already shown the demo how we can configure IIS server manually, right? I have to configure EC2 instance, and then inside the EC2 I have to choose the Windows AMI, and then we configure, and then we create the RDP. We have downloaded the RDP, and inside that RDP we just explore that IIS server installation process, right? Now in this demo I will do some different thing. I will create the Windows server, okay, Windows AMI EC2 instance, but here I am not going to download my RDP. I am not going to enter inside my virtual machine. Also, I can create my own index.html page where that Windows server will be up and running. So that is the unique reason that I thought this video would be useful for all of you, right? So manual process, step by step process I already shown. This is also step by step process, but here I am using some bootstrap script. Means at the time of launch your instance, you can provide some script to the Windows system EC2 instance, okay? And this script will be invoked at the time of launching your instance. And everything will be provisioned, everything will be predefined, and it will be launched the instances with that your desired output, okay? So without any delay, let's get started. So you can see I already inside that EC2 dashboard, and already one instance is running. That is the previous demo I used this instance. Now I quickly create other instance. So click launch instance, okay? Just click launch instance and you can get this interface. Now I'm going to write Windows system bootstrap instance, okay? So this is my label, and you can use your label, any name you can provide as per your choice. So you have to provide the name, same thing, and you just scroll down to the next tab. Here you have to choose application and OS image, Amazon AMS. So everything I've discussed, still I'm explore all the things. That's not an issue, just concentrate on this session. Okay? And application and OS image, so choose Windows and just select Windows. You can see Windows in light blue color, one background is there. That means it is selected. I have choose this Windows Microsoft. Okay. This is different AMI images are there. So this is my Windows image. Okay. And you also check that free trial eligible or not, because for the demo purpose or in your project purpose also. So you can explore this free tier eligibility. Okay. So there are free tier eligible, and by default I choose that Microsoft Windows Server 2022 base. Okay. So this is my AMI. Once I choose the AMI, so 1 minute. Yes, so it is the one interface from where you can also select that. So you just go there and just launch instance. Okay. And just click browse more AMIs. Okay. When you click browse more AMIs, you can get couple of other options also. Okay. So you can see quick start AMIs, AWS by default has provided 47 AMIs, commonly used AMI. Still, You can get your AMI from your marketplace, and that is 9205. Third party AMIs are available, community AMI 500, and still I am not creating my own AMI. So that is the reason it's showing 0. So you can create your own AMI. You can launch your instance in your own AMI also. The differentiation that I look after different thing. Okay. So in this session, I just discuss how we can bootstrap the script. So you can choose different kind of AMI. Okay. So you can choose Ubuntu and also check the verified provider and free check eligibility. Free check eligibility or free tier eligibility, then it is cost optimized. Okay, so you can use that. So just go back, launch your instance, and I already choose this Windows system. And okay, and then instance type here also I am not going to choose other one. I also choose the t2.micro, and that is the free tier eligible. Okay, instance type. You can choose this one, and key pair login. You can choose the previous one that I already have created for the previous demo. So you can choose Windows system key. Okay. Or you can create your own key pair. That is also available. So you can create your own key pair. You can provide the name and key pair type and that private key pair .pm.pdk. So you can choose as per the default settings are there. You can go with that. Okay. And you can create your key pair. So I already created my own key pair, so that is the reason I'm not going to create this one. In the previous session, I used this, I created this one and I've used this one, Windows system key. Okay, I'm not going to use other one. Okay, and the network setting in this demo, I have to tick all the things. So just check out just tick allow HTTPS and allow HTTP. So in the network setting, you have to create your own security group or you can use your existing security group. Okay. So if you want to select your existing security group, then you can go and in the previous session I used that launch user 2, I think. Then you can use this one also, and or you can create your own security group. That is fine. So for everyone's understanding purpose, I am creating this one. So, or there is two options. You can select or you can create your own security group. So in the security group, you have to allow your ports, right? You can allow your RDP port, you can allow your HTTP port, you can allow your HTTPS port. So then this VM or virtual machine that will be accessible to other users, or it can be publicly accessible or not with the default ports, right? Like HTTP traffic. By default port is 80. HTTPS by default port is 443. RDP by default port is 3389. Okay. So that port you have to allow when you creating a security group, and not much more than by default you can see that storage capacity is 30 GB. I have this one. You can also add your new volume, that the different thing. And one important thing over there, before going to launch your instance, you can just explore here the main thing coming. Okay, and you just explore advanced details tab. When you explore advanced details tab, you can see couple of options like your IAM instance profile, instance auto recovery. Does not touch anyone as it is. I have to keep this one, right. I'm not going to touch anyone. Just scroll down, and here you can see one user input box is given. That means I can add my own script for invoking that for executing the script on the runtime. Okay. So when I launch the instance, this script will be executed. I'm not going to create manually. I'm not going to download my RDP. I'm not going to go and install the server manager. And inside the server manager, I'm not going to add rule and features. Nothing. You cannot do anything. Okay. You just add couple of lines of codes over there, and everything will be achieved. So this is the code that I already have created. that I'm copy from my notepad, and you can see this is a Bootstrap script, and that is you have to add. This script is called also user data. Okay, user has provided some data at the time of launch that instances. Okay, so you can see PowerShell script. So that is tagged with that PowerShell, and what is written inside the script? Just trying to explore. Install Windows feature name web server include management tool. So you remember, right? In the previous session, we add my roles and features. Okay. So you have to install Windows features. Once your Windows feature is installed, and you can provide the server name. Okay. In this name web server. And you have to include management tools. That means when your IIS server is run already given, and in that time your IIS control panel also be executed. Okay, and all the management tools will be invoked over there. This is the first step. Next step is that you have to go, the script will automatically go to this path, C inet pub www index.html. I hope you also remember that here in this place I go manually, and I have to change, I have to create my index.html file, and then the index.html file will be showing to all of you, right? And then item type file value, and you have to provide you some data, means this tag, this not this value. It welcome to cloud and data with Kaushik. So this is the new item. Slash post this tag, then the forcefully it will add. Okay, this couple of lines of code I have added, and everything is good. I'm not going to touch anything as of now. And number of instances, that one instance is ready, is okay. I'm going to launch this instance. So just scroll down, and you have to, before going to click launch instance, just check all the settings. Your launch instance, you have to provide your name and tag. You have to select your own Windows AMI. That is also okay. You have to choose your instance type, that is pre-10 eligible instance type, and EPR name that you have also choose. Everything is okay, I hope. And then this is the vital place where you have to add these. You have to remember this thing: user data or Bootstrap script. This is coming inside the advanced details. Okay, this is the tab where you can get your user data, or you can invoke your bootstrapping script over there. Okay, this is the file, and you have to launch your instance. So you have to click launch your instance. You can see launch instance, creating security groups, rules, everything will be automatically provisioned, right? I'm not going to go and manually intervene all the things. So congratulations to all of you. You have successfully created your instance. Just click on that part. You can click this part link, or you can automatically redirect it to that EC2 dashboard page, and your instance ID by default selected. Okay, and you can see the instance state is pending. So there are a couple of instance state I already discussed: running, terminated, pending. Pending means something happening behind the scenes, right? And that is the reason it is pending. It will trying to set up all the virtual environment, and whatever the settings you have provided, that is going to correct. Okay, and also status check 2x2 check passed. Okay, read check ability and reinitialize check, that is going to be checked after that. So you have that instance state, and you can see this is pending. That means something happening behind the scene. Just refresh this button. You have to refresh this one. You can see if instance state is running, the state message or the type that has been changed to running, from pending to running. Okay, now I have to wait a couple of minutes. So I just wait for that status check part. That is also equally important, that we have to check. Okay, we have to wait for that. So just refresh, and it will automatically provision, and it will display the data 2x2 check passed. Okay, you have to wait a couple of minutes. And also one more thing, you can also create your filters. You can also like I just close this thing, right? And you can see two systems are running. So that is the previous session, that system I've used, and this is the current session. Okay, so you have the instance ID, right? You can filter also your instance state, you can filter also your instance type, you can filter also instance ID. Okay, so just write over there and you can see there are different kind of filter methods are there. API filters, by default AWS has provided these filters. Okay, just scroll down and you can use instance ID. Okay, and it tells instance ID is equal to provide your instance ID. Okay, okay. Um, just select one second and just go and you can write instance ID and you have to add the instance ID over here. Yes. So you can see that instance, only this instance is showing over there, right? I earlier before applying these filters, there are different other system also be showing, but you can apply your own filters. You can apply your filters on that basis of instance ID, on the basis of instance state, on the basis of instance type. Okay, so just wait couple of more minutes, and I hope will yes. Now you can see this status check 2x2 check passed, and just uncheck this button and you can just check once again. When you check, you can see different kind of tabs are there. Details, security, networking, storage. Okay, so by default root device type is EBS. Networking means the public IP, private DNS, everything is given over there. And that is the status check. You can see two types of status check is there. I already discussed. System reachability check and instance reachability check. Two check, they have check and then they have showing the message 2x2 check first. Now return back to the details. You can copy your public IP and just go in the next tab and you can paste the public IP and hit. And you have to wait couple of minutes. Okay, and now you can see the script is automatically invoked. I am not going to download my RDP. I am not going to click my server manager. Nothing I am going to do, right? I just provide the script to the user data section and my initial website is ready with my custom data. Okay, so this thing you can remember, I use this value. Welcome to cloud and data with Ghost. Okay, now one more thing, and this link I hope it can be accessible to anywhere. So your website is ready without downloading your RDP, without creating your ad role features, without adding your manage administrative tools and select your control panel. No, I'm not going to do this. Nothing. I've just used PowerShell script over there. Okay, and you can see my website is ready. Now you can just go in that dashboard, and my question is that can I change my script, whatever I have written inside that user data? So yes, obviously the answer is yes. You can change your user data. So for that, you have to select this server. So and then go to the actions. You can see actions button, right? When you click the actions and you can see the instance settings. Inside the instance setting, you can get your edit user data. This is the option from where you can change your user data, right? So you can obviously change, but just click over there and then I'll tell the next story. So just click edit user data. Obviously, you can see that whatever the script you have provided, that is showing over there, right? Current user data. But I'm not going to change. Why? Why I'm not going to change? Because your instance is running. Okay. So on the runtime, when the instance is running, you cannot change this PowerShell script. Okay. And no, means is the other script also you cannot change because your instance is running. So if you want to change that data, if you want to change something different data, like welcome to cloud with Kaushik, instead of welcome to cloud and data with Kaushik. So you can write your own text. So for that, you have to stop your instance. Okay. So go there. Your instance is running. Nobody. You have to choose. Yes. So this is the Windows system. So go select the instance name. First, you have to filter out. So only one system will be showing. So instance ID, you can filter with the instance ID, paste the value and just hit enter. Okay, only this instance will be showing. Just change this one and go to the instance state and you can stop your instance. Just click and one pop-up box will come and it will show that to confirm that you want to stop the instance, choose the stop button below. So you have to choose the stop button. Just click on stop and you can see that instance state is stopping. The state is going to change. So how many types of instance state? One is running, one is terminated, one is pending, one is stopping, right? Currently, my instance state is stopping. And just click, you just refresh this button and you can see instance state is showing stop. So there is other instance state also stop. So select that instance, go to the actions, go to the instance settings, click the instance settings, just scroll down. You have to get the edit user data and you can see these options are coming. Modify user data as text, modify user data by inputting a file. So there is two options that you can add your user data. Already I have used this script to my instance, so I can change over there, or I can also modify a user data. We can also choose the file and we can select that script. Okay, there is two options. So just go to modify user data as text and welcome to my channel. I'll just write welcome to my channel. Okay, and save it. So please remember you have to edit your text. You can edit your script, but you have to stop the instance first. Okay, and I have modified my text and go to the instance state again, and you can see next option is start instance. Just click start instance. Okay, and you can just refresh and you can see the instance state is pending. So now it is going to reinitialized and your instance. So you have to just refresh the button. You have to wait couple of minutes because we have to wait for the status check, that is instance state and the system checks, right? Two checks they have checking and then once everything is done, I'm going to click that public IP or public URL. I hope the sounds are good and you can understand the concept. Okay, you just refresh. Wait a couple of minutes. Yes, you have to just keep on refreshing this page, okay? You can refresh and also you can check that script is showing or not. Just and one more thing that when you stop and start your instance, right? So every time you can see the new public IP is showing, right? So copy the public IP. This time public IP is changed. Okay, just copy and just paste over there, and you have to wait couple of minutes, and you can see the old script is showing. I tell welcome to my channel, but still the old script are showing. You have to just wait couple of minutes for your status check and keep refresh also this. And you just keep on refreshing this page, and the old script is showing, right? Welcome to cloud and data with Kosi, but this hello should be changed. And also keep refreshing this page. Also, you can see status check is there. And refresh this step. Okay, refreshing this step. I hope it will come, but it will take some time. It will take some time because in the background that script means that script that will be invoked, right? Management tools have to create that index.html file. Everything is provisioned over there. So you have to wait a couple of minutes, and it also depends that runtime initialization process, whatever script you have provided, that is going to add your features. All the background stuff is remain pending, right? So to wait for that. So now you can see that 2x2 checks passed, and just go to your public IP and just refresh the page and just hit refresh, keep on refreshing. Yes, I also you can see the action, go to the instance state and go to the user data. First you validate welcome to my channel. The current script data is welcome to my channel. It will be showing. So just refresh, keep on refreshing. I hope it will be, but still the data is not coming. So wait. Also fine. Just refresh what's it. It will take some time. Just keep on refreshing. You can see I am just refresh. You have to wait couple of minutes and then you can get the data, right? You just click And now that we can see that welcome to my channel, this is coming, right? And you can see in this way, I have this value, welcome to my channel, and this is your current user data. So you can provide your user data, and once everything is good to go and everything is okay for initializing script and forcefully this script will be added, and you have to wait couple of minutes. I already showed you, right? And now you can see welcome to my channel, whatever is written, welcome to my channel, welcome to my channel, that is coming, right? And yes, so I hope you can understand the concept of user data, the bootstrapping script, how we can invoke this thing. And if you have any questions, so please let me know. I will provide more sessions to the AWS so you can create all the concept. And if you have any doubt, please let me know in the comment section so I'll address your concern. And please share, like, and subscribe my channel, and it will boost my confidence. And we can also provide good content that can help you crack your next interview as well as your AWS Solution Architect certification, right? So that can help you out. So please subscribe my channel. If you have any doubt, so please let me know. And in this way, we can learn and grow together. Thank you everyone for joining the session. Thank you. If you have any doubts, so please let me know. And I will come more sessions in future. Thank you everyone. Thank you. Bye. Thank you.